Hey, Sam here today, and I got the secret to making money woodworking. People ask me all the time, you're an old guy. Yeah, well, yeah, I'm old. And, the secret is it's not that $2,500 table saw. Well, it's not this $700 planer. See, it's none of that. The tool that you need to make money woodworking is right here. This is the tool that makes all the difference in the world. And if you're going to make money woodworking, you got to use this tool. All those other tools don't matter. You don't need all that stuff. And, here's an example. You got to think outside the box to sell people something nowadays. So, porch planter. Yeah, you put flower pots in this thing, and everybody, oh, this is rustic, reclaimed wood, blah, 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 blah. I wouldn't buy this. I mean, I could make it, but if I walked up on this at a yard sale, sorry. Now, you want to make a porch planter to sell? Make this. Now this porch planter is going to get you a bunch of people coming to you and say, hey, that is fantastic. I want that. And you might have a couple people getting a bidding war over it. Or you can say, hey, okay, I don't have a Schnauzer. I have a Chihuahua. Can you do a Chihuahua? And next thing you know, their neighbor sees that and says, hey, I got a Dachshund. Can you do a Dachshund? Well, Dachshund should be pretty easy. And then, this thing is going to bloom out. Now, you can look around and you can buy this on the internet and put it all together. But see, people don't want to put stuff together. They want stuff already done. And local people, they just don't want to buy something off the internet most of the time anyway. So, if you're going to make money woodworking, you got to think outside the box. So, if you was buying a porch planter, which one are you going to buy? Hey, y'all have a good day now, and go watch my videos. Get my watch hours up. Help an old man out. Yeah, call me Grandpa Sam. Hey, that'll work. Go watch some more of my videos. Y'all have a good day now. Bye.